Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, I'm going through a few tools of mine, and this one right here is a hole punch. Basically is what it is. These don't come with it. This is something that I took out of something else for actually. It's for punching like paper and stuff, but it actually works in thinner materials too. Regardless, those don't come with it. Anyhow, so this is what it is. It's a hole punch. I actually got this at a garage sale a long time ago, you know, probably 10 years ago or so. And I don't use it a lot, but I have used it on everything from like gasket material to leather and that kind of thing. And what it is, you pick out your size and you put that on there, you put this on there, and you give it a whack. And then it will basically punch a hole. I don't want to go all the way through to the metal, but it works pretty well. If you're doing like leather work or making gaskets or that kind of stuff quite often, I don't know what these cost. I think I paid like $2 for it at the garage sale. I don't use it a lot, but it is something that it's a tool out there that's a little bit different that you might not know about, that makes life easier. This also works for like grommets for tarps and things like that. So I picked this up again for a couple bucks, heck yeah, I've used it enough to where it's paid itself off. But unless you do this kind of thing, unless you can get it fairly cheap, it's probably not worth it. And a lot of the grommet kits come with these kind of things, so you don't even need them. But it's nice to have. It's just one of those nice to have it if you got it. If you don't have it, not really worth buying unless you're going to have a lot of reasons to use it. See a brand name on it anywhere. So I'm sure it was just one of those side of the road, cheapy type Harbor Freight type things from a long time ago. And like I said, I've had it probably over 10 years and I bought it at a garage sale. So now you know they're out there. If you need a tool like that, there you go. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.